Hello there, guys. And today I wanted to talk to you about other package operations. Okay, so we covered some package operations, and to all of these other package operations, I will just refer to them as other package operations. Now, besides installing, removing, and upgrading packages, there are a lot of things you can do with them. You can list installed packages, determine whether a package was installed, display information about an installed package, and find which package installed the file. I have never used these functionalities so far, so I will not talk about them, but I will tell you that you can look at the references in the video below if you want to find more information about these. And again, this is the free book from William Schatz, or you can use Google to search for these specific functionalities when the need arises, okay? Which is honestly my preferred way of doing these, okay? So just kind of understand, or maybe just look at Schatz, just kind of glance over it and see, okay, this command is used for this command is used for this. And then if you encounter something which you actually need, you can use Google. And so the reason why I delegate all of these things to Google is because I think, why shouldn't you use Google? Right? Because in the age of internet, we all have Google. You should use Google for some things which you should usually memorize. If you didn't have the internet, you would have to have those things memorized. And again, the basic commands, I do think you should memorize them. The basic ones, the ones we covered at the beginning of this tutorial series, like the ls, cp, mv, etc. But all of these other commands, I don't really think you need to have them completely memorized. I mean, these package management commands, maybe installing a package, you should memorize that one. But other than that, I think you can just find all of these other things on Google, and there's really no need for you to memorize them. So yeah, that's just my opinion. Maybe you agree, maybe you disagree. Definitely leave a comment, just to kind of interact with me. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.